Hello and welcome to GS Question Bank. This is part 15 of Ancient Indian History. Topic 15 name is Mauryan Empire, Ashoka. Question 1. As per Ashoka's inscriptions, which among the following place was declared tax-free and proclaimed only 1/8 part as taxable? A. Kushinagar, B. Lumbini, C. Kathmandu, D. Sarnath. Answer is B. Lumbini. Question 2. The beneficiaries of Ashoka's donations in the regions of Barabar Hills were A. Buddhists, B. Ajivikas, C. Shwetambar Jains, D. Digambar Jains. Answer is B. Ajivikas. Question 3. In which of the following inscriptions Ashoka made his famous declaration, All men are my children? A. Minor Rock Edict, Ahrora, B. Pillar Edict 7, C. Lumbini Pillar Edict, D. Separate Kaling Rock Edict 1. Answer is D. Separate Kaling Rock Edict 1. Question 4. In which year Ashoka invaded Kaling? A. 261 BC, B. 235 BC, C. 285 BC, D. 225 BC. Answer is A. 261 BC. Question 5. In which rock edict Ashoka mentioned every human is my child? A. Major Rock Edict 5, B. Major Rock Edict 4, C. Major Rock Edict 7, D. Major Rock Edict 8. Answer is A. Major Rock Edict 5. Question 6. Which Ashokan inscription mentions 5 contemporary Hellenic kings? Hellenic means Greek kings. A. Major Rock Edict 9, B. Major Rock Edict 10, C. Major Rock Edict 12, D. Major Rock Edict 13. Answer is D. Major Rock Edict 13. Question 7. Which rock edict gives information about Ashoka's conversion to Buddhism? A. Bhabru Rock Edict, B. Kaling Rock Edict, C. Tarai Rock Edict, D. Barabar Cave Rock Edict. Answer is A. Bhabru Rock Edict. Question 8. Which rock edict of Ashoka mentions the purpose of the rock edicts? A. Major Rock Edict 10, B. Major Rock Edict 11, C. Major Rock Edict 13, D. Major Rock Edict 14. Answer is D. Major Rock Edict 14. Question 9. Which Ashokan pillar edict provides a list of animals and birds, killing of which was prohibited on some days, and another list of animals which have not to be killed at all occasions? A. Pillar Edict 5, B. Pillar Edict 8, C. Pillar Edict 10, D. Pillar Edict 12. Answer is A. Pillar Edict 5. Delhi Topra Pillar Edict. Question 10. According to Sri Lankan Chronicle Mahavansh, Mauryan Emperor Ashoka was impressed by whom and converted to Buddhism due to his impression only? A. Mogaliputtis, B. Tivara, C. Karuvaki, D. Nigrodh. Answer is D. Nigrodh. Question 11. Which among the following major rock edicts of Ashoka are in Kharoshthi script? A. Mansehra and Shahbazgarhi, B. Sanchi, C. Sarnath, D. Bharat. Answer is A. Mansehra and Shahbazgarhi, located in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in Pakistan. Question 12. Among all the pillar edicts of Ashoka, which one is the longest one? A. Third pillar edict, B. Fifth pillar edict, C. Sixth pillar edict, D. Seventh pillar edict. Answer is D. Seventh pillar edict. Question 13. Among all the major rock edicts of Ashoka, which one is the largest? A. Seventh major rock edict, B. Ninth major rock edict, C. 11th major rock edict, D. 13th major rock edict. Answer is D. 13th major rock edict. Question 14. Which among the following is the bilingual inscription? A. Girnar inscription, B. Kandhar inscription, C. Maski inscription, D. Bharat inscription. Answer is B. Kandhar inscription, written in Greek and Aramaic. Question 15. Which Ashokan inscription elaborates the policy of Dhamma and stresses the respect for elders, abstain from killing animals, and liberal towards friends? A. Major Rock Edict 9, B. Major Rock Edict 10, C. Major Rock Edict 11, D. Major Rock Edict 12. Answer is C. Major Rock Edict 11. Question 16. Which Ashokan inscription prohibits animal slaughter during festive gatherings? A. Major Rock Edict 1, B. Major Rock Edict 3, C. Major Rock Edict 4, D. Major Rock Edict 5. Answer is A. Major Rock Edict 1. Question 17. The Kaling War was fought in which year of Ashoka's reign? A. 6th year of Ashoka's reign. B. 7th year of Ashoka's reign. C. 8th year of Ashoka's reign. D. 9th year of Ashoka's reign. Answer is C. 8th year of Ashoka's reign. Question 18. With reference to the inscriptions of Ashoka, consider the statements. A. The inscriptions of Ashoka were first deciphered by James Prinsep. B. Brahmi script was employed for writing. C. They are written in Pali language and in some places Prakrit was used. D. All the above. Answer is D. All the above. Question 19. In which inscription the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka refers himself as Piyadasi Raja Magadhe, which means Piyadasi King of Magad? A. Junagadh inscription. B. Kandhar inscription. C. Deepavansh inscription. D. Bhabru inscription. Answer is D. Bhabru inscription. It is also called Calcutta Bharat inscription. Question 20. What were the names of Ashoka's mother, wife and daughter respectively? A. Mahadevi, Shubhadrangi, Sanghamitra. B. Shubhadrangi, Mahadevi, Sanghamitra. C. Mahadevi, Sanghamitra, Shubhadrangi. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Shubhadrangi, Mahadevi and Sanghamitra respectively. Question 21. Which pillar edict of Ashoka mentions that all sects desire both self-control and purity of mind? A. Second pillar edict. B. Fifth pillar edict. C. Sixth pillar edict. D. Seventh pillar edict. Answer is D. Seventh pillar edict. Question 22. Bring out the only incorrect statement. A. Rajukas were appointed by Ashoka as judicial officers. B. The Shunga dynasty retained the title Senapati even after becoming kings. C. Kalinganagar was an ancient city destroyed by cyclone. D. Ashoka has expressed faith in Buddhism in Kandhar inscription. Answer is D. Ashoka has expressed faith in Bhabru inscription, not in Kandhar inscription. Question 23. In 1837, James Prinsep deciphered an inscription in Brahmi script referring to a king called Devnam Piyadasi, which means beloved of the gods. The celebrated monarch known by this epithet was A. Ashoka, B. Akbar, C. Kanishk, D. Chandragupta Vikramaditya. Answer is A. Ashoka. Question 24. To perform which among the following functions Rajukas were appointed by Ashoka? A. Revenue functions. B. Judicial functions. C. Religious functions. D. Military functions. Answer is B. Judicial functions. Question 25. According to Deepavansh and Mahavansh, which of the following captured power after killing his 99 brothers? A. Chandragupta Maurya. B. Bindusar. C. Sushim. D. Ashok. Answer is D. Ashok. Question 26. Which of the following was known as Kamashok? A. Brihadrath. B. Ashok. C. Sushim. D. Bindusar. Answer is B. Ashok. Question 27. According to Divya Vadan, Bindusar wanted which of the following to succeed him? A. Sushim. B. Ashok. C. Tis. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Sushim. Question 28. Who was appointed as the Viceroy of Takshila and Ujjain during the reign of Bindusar? A. Sushim. B. Kunal. C. Ashok. D. Vaishya. Answer is C. Ashok. Question 29. Ashoka is referred to as Buddha Shakya in which of the following inscriptions? A. Maski Rock Edict. B. Sarnath inscription. C. Delhi Topra Pillar Edict. D. Kandhar inscription. Answer is A. Maski Rock Edict, which is located in Raichur district, Karnataka. Question 30. What was the name of Ashoka's mother? A. Mahadevi. B. Yashoda. C. Shubhadrangi. D. Sanghamitra. Answer is C. Shubhadrangi. Question 31. Which of the following queens of Ashoka tried to get the Bodhi tree cut? A. Mahadevi. B. Asandhi Mitra. C. Padmavati. D. Tishya Raksha. Answer is D. Tishya Raksha, who was the fifth and last wife of Ashoka, tried to get the Bodhi tree cut. Question 32. Which of the following appointed Dharma Mahamatas to propagate Dharma among various social groups including women? A. Chandragupta, B. Bindusar, C. Ashok, D. Brihadrath. Answer is C. Ashok. Question 33. Which of the following was the last Mauryan king who was killed by Pushyamitra Shung in 185 BC? A. Ashok, B. Brihadrath, C. Dashrath, D. None of the above. Answer is B. Brihadrath. Question 34. Total how many inscriptions are there of Ashoka, which are primarily classified into major rock edicts, minor rock edicts, separate rock edicts, major pillar edicts, minor pillar edicts? A. 30 inscriptions, B. 31 inscriptions, C. 32 inscriptions, D. 33 inscriptions. Answer is D. 33 inscriptions. Question 35. Which of the following Ashokan major rock edict mentions Pradeshikas, Rajukas and Yukas? A. First edict, B. Third edict, C. Fifth edict, D. Seventh edict. Answer is B. Third edict. Third edict is in Jaugada, Odisha. Question 36. Which major rock edict the term Bhairi Ghosh, which means the war drum, was replaced by Dhamma Ghosh? A. First major rock edict, B. Second major rock edict, C. Third major rock edict, D. Fourth major rock edict. Answer is D. Fourth major rock edict. Question 37. Dhamma Mahamatas were mentioned in which of the following major rock edicts? A. First major rock edict, B. Third major rock edict, C. Fifth major rock edict, D. Sixth major rock edict. Answer is C. Fifth major rock edict. Question 38. Which rock edict mentions religious tolerance amongst all sects and welfare measures for the public? A. Seventh major rock edict, B. Eighth major rock edict, C. Ninth major rock edict, D. 10th major rock edict. Answer is A. Seventh major rock edict. Question 39. In which rock edict royal pleasure tours, Vihar Yatras were replaced by Dhamma Yatras? A. Seventh major rock edict, B. Eighth major rock edict, C. Ninth major rock edict, D. 10th major rock edict. Answer is B. Eighth major rock edict. Question 40. Which rock edict mentions Ashoka's first Dhamma Yatra to Bodh Gaya and Bodhi tree? A. Sixth major rock edict, B. Seventh major rock edict, C. Eighth major rock edict, D. Ninth major rock edict. Answer is C. Eighth major rock edict. Question 41. Which rock edict announces that the gift of Dhamma is the best gift of all gifts? A. Ninth major rock edict, B. 10th major rock edict, C. 11th major rock edict, D. 12th major rock edict. Answer is C. 11th major rock edict. Question 42. Which rock edict announces that the policy of Dhamma is the best policy to follow? A. 8th major rock edict, B. 9th major rock edict, C. 10th major rock edict, D. 11th major rock edict. Answer is D. 11th major rock edict. Question 43. Which of the following rock edict mentions the Ithijika Mahamata, that is Mahamatas in charge of women's welfare? A. 10th major rock edict, B. 11th major rock edict, C. 12th major rock edict, D. 13th major rock edict. Answer is C. 12th major rock edict. Question 44. Which of the following rock edict appeals for toleration and to honor other sects? A. 9th major rock edict, B. 10th major rock edict, C. 11th major rock edict, D. 12th major rock edict. Answer is D. 12th major rock edict. Question 45. Which of the following rock edict mentions that the beloved of the gods does not consider gifts or honor to be important? A. 10th major rock edict, B. 11th major rock edict, C. 12th major rock edict, D. 13th major rock edict. Answer is C. 12th major rock edict. Question 46. Which of the following rock edict mentions the victory of King Ashoka over Kaling in 261 BC? It also mentions that the victory by Dhamma to be the foremost victory. A. 13th major rock edict, B. 12th major rock edict, C. 11th major rock edict, D. 10th major rock edict. Answer is A. 13th major rock edict. Question 47. How many pillar edicts have been found? A. 7, B. 8, C. 9, D. 10. Answer is A. 7. Question 48. Which of the following rulers shifted two pillar edicts from Topra and Meerut to Delhi? A. Alauddin Khilji, B. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, C. Babur, D. Akbar. Answer is B. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Question 49. Which of the following material was used for the construction of Ashokan pillars? A. Limestone, B. Sandstone, C. Granite, D. Redstone. Answer is B. Sandstone, quarried from Chunar in Mirzapur district of Uttar Pradesh. Question 50. What does the use of elephant as a motif in the Ashokan pillar symbolizes? A. Departure of Siddharth, B. Purity and fecundity, C. Pride and courage, D. Buddha's conception. Answer is D. Buddha's conception. According to Buddhist traditions, Buddha entered his mother's womb in the form of a white elephant. This is the picture of elephant. Question 51. Which of the following pillar edicts mentions about the social code? A. First pillar edict, B. Second pillar edict, C. Third pillar edict, D. Fourth pillar edict. Answer is A. First pillar edict. Question 52. Which of the following pillar defines the term Dhamma as the policy of doing the least amount of sin, performing virtuous deeds, having compassion, purity and truthfulness? A. First pillar edict, B. Second pillar edict, C. Third pillar edict, D. Fourth pillar edict. Answer is B. Second pillar edict. Question 53. Soul and sin are featured in which of the following pillar edicts? A. First pillar edict, B. Second pillar edict, C. Third pillar edict, D. Fourth pillar edict. Answer is C. Third pillar edict. Question 54. Which of the following pillar edicts talks about welfare of the people? A. Third pillar edict, B. Fourth pillar edict, C. Fifth pillar edict, D. Sixth pillar edict. Answer is D. Sixth pillar edict. Question 55. In which of the following edicts or inscriptions Ashoka warns members of the Sangh against causing division in the ranks? A. Schism edict, B. Girnar rock inscription, C. Kandhar inscription, D. Nigali Sagar inscription. Answer is A. Schism edict, located in Sanchi, Madhya Pradesh. Question 56. Which of the following inscriptions contains information about the birthplace of Buddha and Ashoka's visit to Lumbini? A. Nigali Sagar inscription, B. Rumindei inscription, C. Kandhar inscription, D. Girnar rock inscription. Answer is B. Rumindei inscription, located in Nepal. Question 57. Which of the following inscriptions mentions that the village of Lumbini was exempted from Bali and was to pay only 1/8 of Bhaga? A. Nigali Sagar inscription, B. Rumindei inscription, C. Kandhar inscription, D. Girnar rock inscription. Answer is B. Rumindei inscription in Nepal. Question 58. Which of the following inscriptions mentions the site of all 14 major rock edicts as well as two separate Kaling edicts? A. Saugaura copper plate inscription, B. Rumindei inscription, C. Nigali Sagar inscription, D. Samnati inscription. Answer is D. Samnati inscription, which is located in Karnataka. Saugaura copper plate inscription is located in Gorakhpur on the banks of Rapti river. Rumindei inscription is in Nepal. Nigali Sagar inscription is in Nepal. Question 59. In which of the following edicts Ashoka greets the Sangh and professes his deep faith in Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha? A. Minor Rock Edict 1, B. Minor Rock Edict 2, C. Minor Rock Edict 3, D. Minor Rock Edict 4. Answer is C. Minor Rock Edict 3. Question 60. In which of the following edicts Ashoka recommends 6 Buddhist texts for monks, nuns and the general laity? Laity means people, general people. A. Minor Rock Edict 1, B. Minor Rock Edict 2, C. Minor Rock Edict 3, D. Minor Rock Edict 4. Answer is C. Minor Rock Edict 3. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.